No. How did you come here?
How did you come
Did
here?
you went after opening? You went home to give the key. Please, Rohit Prasad. Rohit Prasad, please give the key. No, we will not discuss. We have nothing to discuss with you. If at all, if we have to discuss, we discuss with DC. Right now.
Long live! khynnah Skul long live! Long live! khynnah Skul long live! Student unity long live! Long live! khynnah Skul long live!
Just give us the key.
Yeah. Please give us the key.
I think this is the one. This is Rohit's room. Yes, he's here inside.
Please come out.
Come out or we will be forced to enter.
Please. Should be your condition. Where is the key? Should be there. Should be thinking. Mana bapak should be your condition. Orang. Yeah, left there. Yeah, let me ask. Yeah, please make way for Rohit. Yeah, make way for him, please. Yeah. Bye, sir. Bye, please. Bring the key.
You have been provoking us for far too long.
Sir, I don't open my room. Neither I close my room.
See,
Sir.
whoever you are, okay.
Sir, you can check my bag.
No need. We are respectful so far. I don't want you to provoke us.
Check.
Sir, if you find
No, we will not do
if
that.
you find anything apart from this key,
Okay. They have already given you a key since the day you joined. Please give us.
so that I give.
Mr. Rohit. Mr. Rohit. Listen. Mr. Rohit, I don't want you call me inside. I don't know. You don't exist here. Give the key right now.
Non grata here now. We don't even
Give the key, Mr. Rohit. I'm saying, warning you once again. Give the key right now.
Yes.
We have been nice, please.
Yes.
We have been, see, even your registrar is right here. Give the key. Rest of the thing we'll talk later. Give the key. 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 Give the key.
Give the key.
No. How did you come here?
How did you come
Did
here?
you went after opening? You went home to give the key. Please, Rohit Prasad. Rohit Prasad, please give the key. No, we will not discuss. We have nothing to discuss with you. If at all, if we have to discuss, we discuss with DC. Right now, you are persona non grata.
We don't know you.
You don't exist in NEHU. Give the key to the room. No, 1 minute. No talking. We are not interested to talk to you, please.
Can I talk with
No, you give us the key.
of my room from
Whatever, since the day you came, they never appeared on their saying. What are you saying? What are you saying?
you please confirm
Security?
whether they are talking or they are
No.
Sir, please.
See, they are our people, we know. We know they are doing their duty here. You please.
Sir, I'll bring. Keys are at home, sir.
No. How did you come this morning? Did you break it by kicking the door? What did you do? Or you are a magician that you just enter like this? You are a magician? No. Give the key right now.
I don't open my office.
But they are all saying that you open by yourself since the day you joined.
Please.
See, everybody, what are you saying? You think they are lying or what?
They are lying.
What is this? See, you are not cooperating, Mr. Rohit Prasad. And you are an illegal occupant here.
Since 8.
And an illegal occupant can be dealt with the way we want. Please cooperate. Give the key. There's no discussion that we want to do with you. Give the key. Give the key. Right now.
Please, sir. Come here, sir.
Okay, friends. So this is the room of ex Rohit Prasad, who used to occupy here, whom we have made persona non grata. And we believe that in next few days he will leave the quarter as well. Otherwise, we have to also vacate that quarter. But for now, he has vacated this office. This is the key. We are going to lock it so that people like him who are illegitimately or illegally appointed don't occupy any official position in NEHU. Thank you, members. This is the key to the room of Rohit that we have locked. He doesn't exist in NEHU anymore. Thank you very much.